I made this app. I don't know what else to say.
You made it during what class did you
I
make
made it during
Zach?
computer science, CSP, computer science principles.
Okay, and what tool did you use to create your app?
App Inventor.
App Inventor. And can you show us what your app does?
It shows us information about like the planets and the sun. So if you like click in on the button, it brings you up to the information. You can
Okay.
click back.
And does it have a name?
I
The
just
app?
put the planets. I didn't know what to name it really.
The planets. So it's an app for who to learn the planets? What?
More like young elementary school kids.
Yeah, young elementary school kids to learn about the planets.
Yeah.
And it's got
Maybe
each
even
planet.
older people that forget about them.
Yep, that's perfect. So high school age and even older, people who might forget about it. And we can see how your app works, but why don't you explain?
I got out of the app for some reason.
Like talk about the components that you made, talk about the components you used in developing your app.
So I used a lot of buttons. There wasn't much code. I put buttons down with pictures above them,
Okay?
and I added pictures of the planets, and I made the code so when you press the button, it brings up a new screen, which is the information. I have 11 screens in total, so it does a
Yeah.
lot.
So it does, I mean, you can't say there's not much code because really you've programmed all the buttons to bring up another screen very effectively.
The only code I have on each other screen except screen 1 is just go back to the other screen when you hit the back button.
Which is very effective
yeah.
programming when you start learning how to program apps.
It's
Is
very
this the
simple.
first app you made?
Well, not the first one. First one that I've packaged.
First one that you've packaged. So the other ones that you've made tutorials, but this is the first one that's come
Yeah.
from your own idea.
Yes.
All right. Well, I think that's everything we need to know. Thank you. Thank you, Zach.